Hey everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella and welcome to Spain vlog 2. Weather today, chef's kiss, so nice. I really want to set myself like a swimming challenge, like to be able to do 50 lengths or something in one go, because I used to be a swimming teacher. Fun fact, you might not know this about me, when I was 17 I actually was a swimming teacher. I did it with some of my friends. I basically taught like 4 or 5 year olds how to swim. It was kind of a cool job, to be fair, now I think about it, but yeah, I'm an alright swimmer, so I'm gonna do some swimming and that's gonna be my exercise for today. My brother is literally running around the mountain. Like, he has literally taken himself on runs around the mountain, up steep hills and stuff, and I'm like, how are you doing that? Like, how is he doing that? You know, you couldn't pay me, you could not pay me to go on a run in this heat, you know? Anyways, I'm gonna go do some journaling and read my book. I'll get right back to you. Bit later on and we are about to head to the Yacht Club. I'm just going to quickly do a little outfit of the day, show you what I'm wearing. I've waved my hair using the Beauty Works waver and I feel like it's definitely holiday vibes. I really like it. I've done like super tanned glowy makeup, and this is my dress. It's got like a little slit from Primark. I believe it was like under £10, but I just thought this was like a really cute holiday dress, so yeah. Anyway, we're about to head off and drive to Denver to go to the Yacht Club. And
do a picture of the thing and then do me.
so the first thing I've ordered from the restaurant is this tuna salad. So basically in Spain they do this thing called a menú del dia, and it's basically like a set menu, and this meal's got 4 courses. So they're out for the days. I'm gonna eat my food. So we are just walking back to the car, having gone to the restaurant. I didn't vlog loads in there only because I felt a little bit awkward. But we are now on the way back to the villa and I'm just a bit drunk, not gonna lie. High-key, quite drunk. But cocktail plus a bottle of wine down, what can you do? Okay, good morning everyone. It is now, I don't even know what day it is at this point. We're about to go for a walk around the mountain and I thought I would take you all with me and show you the sights. Hello everybody, so I have just come back from my walk. I am now back in the villa. We've had lunch, I've read some of my book, and I feel like I need to address something in this vlog. If you've been watching the news in the UK, you'll know that coronavirus cases in Spain have been rising pretty dramatically actually in the cities in like Barcelona, Madrid. When we now return to the UK, we are going to have to quarantine for 2 weeks. Something that I want to sort of say on this vlog, only because I have got a few DMs and messages about it, and I understand that people are concerned, so I want to address it really. I know I didn't say it in the last vlog, but we are taking the guidelines from both countries very, very seriously. In my last vlog you saw that throughout the whole of the airport I was wearing a face mask, and on the plane as well. And like when you actually get to Spain, you have to fill in a health form and they do like a temperature check. Whenever you're not in a restaurant or a bar, you have to wear a face mask in Spain, so we've been adhering to that as well. But besides that, we are actually staying in a private villa where we have no contact with any of the household whatsoever, and we're very, very careful and responsible with it. But yeah, I just want to sort of reassure you guys that I am being safe, and as you can see, like, we are in our own villa, so we are not mingling with any other kind of people. And the whole quarantine situation when we get home, like, obviously not ideal, but there are worse things in life that you have to do. I mean, if I have to quarantine for 2 weeks when I get home so that I can go on holiday here for 10 days, then so be it. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's a bit annoying, but there's worse things in life. So yeah, we are aware of it, and we are adhering to all the guidelines, and I just wanted to make that clear just in case anyone thought anything, I guess. Good day everyone. I was very, very kindly gifted this beach towel from a brand called Tessellate. They are a company based in Australia. They're quite a small business, and they basically make beach towels. And this beach towel, can I just say, it's not like any other beach towel I've ever owned in my life. So the good things about this towel is apparently it dries a lot quicker than normal towels. It's anti-sand, which I think is so good, because honestly I hate going to the beach because of the whole sand on the towel situation, so this is so ideal. And also, before I came to Spain, I was actually using this as like a decorative piece on my chair in my room, so it's really, really versatile. It's really, really cute, and I will leave a link to this in the description if you want to have a look at their website or at the other designs they do. Obviously as well, you can tell it's a towel for 2 people, so you could fit, so if you've got a boyfriend, can't say that's me, but if you've got a boyfriend, then you could share this with them, or your mum, or your cat, or your dog, or just your friend, or yourself in my case. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you because I thought it was really cute, and it's definitely become like an essential whilst I've been on holiday. I'm almost at the end of this book. I talked about it in my morning routine video. I can't remember if I've talked about it anywhere else. This book is actually life-changing, and I'm not even just saying that. This book is crazy. The amount of stuff it makes you think about, and it also, I feel like I read a lot of self-help stuff online from influencers and stuff about gratitude, about meditation, about law of attraction, about all of that stuff, and it's kind of a bit of a minefield in the sense that like there's just so much information out there for like helping yourself, and it all just feels a little bit like disconnected, if that makes sense. But this book does a really good job of sort of piecing it all together and explaining why those things are important to do for your like mental health and stuff. Also, one other thing, so I'm about 4 subscribers away from hitting 3,000. Hopefully by the time you're watching this I will have hit 3,000 subscribers, and I kind of want to talk about that a little bit, because honestly I just think back to the last time I was here, and I was sat on the sun lounges up there, and I was talking to my mum and dad about my YouTube channel, and at that point I wasn't taking it seriously. I had uploaded a few videos, but not regularly, and I really just wasn't taking it seriously at all. And I remember sitting there and them both saying to me, like, you've got a really good thing going here, you should put your all into it, up your editing, up your camera quality, up your uploads, be consistent, and actually try and build something from your YouTube channel. And I remember thinking, yeah, okay, I'm gonna, like, yes, yeah, I can do this. And I did, and I haven't looked back since that conversation, which is crazy. And now there is 3,000 of you, which I know to some might not sound like a lot, but to me it's like, wow, like what? 3,000 subscribers is so many people when you think about it, and I feel so grateful and so blessed to have all of you along with me for this journey. And you know, you all support me on my university experience and you're all here with me, and I just think that is like the craziest, coolest thing to be able to say. So we're just about to go into the Italian. As you can see, I've got my face mask on. Exciting times. I'm really hungry. So our meals have just arrived, and this is the size of their calzones.
Never seen one.
Oh my god, like just for some comparison. This is some comparison. That is absolutely insane.
Oh my god.
These are the size of the pizzas. God, they're huge.
That Amy.
Like
Can't get over it.
the big, isn't it? Yeah, it's definitely good pepperoni.
Dan, you pleased?
Yeah, it's just taking me about a couple of hours. Oh my god, that lighting, it's so bad. Why is it so red? Okay, so I'm actually gonna end this vlog here. I mean, we just had a really nice evening. We had some drinks, as you saw. I have definitely got one, if not two more Spain vlogs coming, so keep your eyes peeled for that. That will be coming very, very soon on my YouTube channel. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you'd like a notification every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, then my handle is @ella.houghton. Follow me on there for all the most up-to-date information on what is going on in my life, and follow me on TikTok. My handle is @ella.houghton and the last O is a 0. I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in the next one.